guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm just going to do a little recap of the month in case you missed any of our news for the month of March. I'm also going to share up close this calls for Confetti, their mixes, and I'm going to share those up close for you. Those are something new to the shop. Let's do a recap really quickly. Let's do some updates and a recap of what's available this month. So let me put this off to the side. We'll get back to that. So for the month of March, we have our stamp and die of the month. So this is available. This is the Sweet Critters stamp set. We have a coordinating die that's available. And the die is really cool because it does cut around these little critters' arms so you can tuck in these items and make a super cute card. Here is the card that I had created for the hop. Now, if you use the hashtag N2S Sweet Critters, you'll see a bunch of videos pop up with lots of inspiration on how to use this product. So I think that turned out really cute. And the paper in the background is from our new paper pad subscription. Now, my first order is a pre-order. So I haven't shipped those out yet. I'm expecting the shipment to come in any day now. So if you did pre-order the Paper Pad Club, that will be shipping really, really soon. So in the first month for March, you're going to get these two paper pads. Really beautiful paper pads. This one's like a coffee themed. You get 4 of each designs. And there's some cutouts in here. So you get 4 pages of that. So you can run that through your brother scan and cut them out, or fussy cut them with your scissors and use those as focal points on your card. So I thought that was super fun. Teresa will be doing that on some of the paper pads. Not every single one, but a lot of them. This one is Fresh Spring, and it's got a very nice palette of browns, pinks, peaches, light brown, really pretty. So that's the second one. And here's my card that I did using the paper pad. So it turned out really pretty. I used the 2 papers right here. And then the stamp here is actually a digital stamp, and that's from our new release as well. So this digital stamp collection is called On the Shelf. You can find that in the digital stamp section in the shop. That sentiment also comes with this set. We have our box of the month. So lovely, lovely goodies in here. You got 3 4x6 stamp sets. You get 2 ephemera packs and 2 paper pads. And you get some sequins and really gorgeous, gorgeous products in here. So let me share the cards that I did. You can use the hashtag N2S Home Sweet Home, and you'll find lots of videos using these products. So the papers are so gorgeous. Everything is coordinates so well. Look how pretty that is. Plants are my therapy. And then this one I turned into a slider. So I thought that was really fun. So that is available. And we also have the Abstract Botanicals bundle with the option to get the class. And this is a Call Me Crafty Al bundle. So this was a pre-order. I've shipped out almost all the pre-orders. I have a few that ordered the paper pad club, so I'm just waiting on the paper pads to ship those. And I do have one gal in Australia that I haven't been able to get a hold of. If you are watching, there is a shipping restriction to your country, so if I do ship your order, I'm afraid it will just come straight back to me, and we won't be able to recoup our shipping. So if you're watching, please email me through my website so we could figure out what to do. If you want to hold on to the order, I could hold on to it until the restriction is lifted. Maybe you can find out something from your post office to see if there's any updates on that. So For the leftovers, I do have, I believe 8 bundles left with the option for a class. And then I have, I think, 6 stamp sets available without the stencil. So you can just purchase the stamp set. I'll have it linked in the description box for you. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% on that. If you have any questions, shoot me an email through my website and I will get back to you. Please check the spam box. I did ship out most of the orders for the Abstract Botanicals set. If you haven't seen a shipping confirmation, please check your spam box. A lot of my emails go to the spam and I never know if my customer is getting it or not. So check there. If you don't see it, email me and I will get your tracking out to you and your class links. The class links were attached to the shipping confirmation email. I also included a hard copy on your packing slip. So in case you don't get it, you'll have a hard copy of it. Okay, so let's share these beautiful, beautiful mixes here. These are from This Calls for Confetti. So this is a beautiful lime color. So there's 2 different prices on the sequence. There's a larger mix and a smaller mix. So this is a lime, really pretty. We've got glazed raspberry. We've got a lemon. A glazed cherry. Now these are confetti pieces. They do not have the hole in the middle. So they're really nice to add to your cards. I like it because then the glue doesn't go through the circle. And then this one is glazed blueberry. We've got glazed strawberry, love that one. Glazed candy, very light pink. We've got Sparkle All the Way. So Sparkle All the Way is a larger mix. And as well as this prism. So it's like a mirror with iridescent colors. We've got these really cute butterflies. Let me bring this up close so you can see the beautiful detail on there. This one is Midnight Dahlia. So really pretty colors. This one is Nancy Loves the Beach. Beautiful blues and beiges, sand and water colors. And this one is Hugs and Kisses. My favorite color combos here. This one's really cute, Spring Buzz. There's some little bumblebees in there. Super cute. One in a melon. That is very, very cute. We've got some green and some watermelon pieces in there, some pink and reds. We've got strawberry. This one's got little pieces of strawberries in there. Some blues, reds, greens. Like a yellowish gold color. We've got It's Easter. It's got these cute little tiny little rabbit heads, and there's cute little Easter chicks in there, and carrots. Those are clay bits. We've got Citrus Sunset. So you can see there's little citrus pieces in there as well as all these different size confettis. It's all about the patty. So you got some gold flecks in there, green, white. Well, here's another glazed, this one's grape. This one's really cute. Spring on Main Street. You got cute little Mickey Mouse heads in there in spring colors. There's little balls in there, like pearls, little flowers. That's cute. And then we've got Squeeze the Day. So got a nice mixture of yellows, teals, there's white, darker blue. Super cute. So I have those all listed under other scrappy goodness, and then I made a special section for this calls for confetti. So awesome. I will have all the links below. Here are a couple more videos you might enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that bell for notifications. I will talk to you real soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.